Meaning of Davy Crockett.
Davy Crockett.
Davy Crockett.
Davy Crockett.
Davy Crockett. Davy Crockett was an American folk hero, frontiersman, soldier, and politician who lived in the 19th century. He is best known for his legendary skills as a woodsman and his role in the Texas Revolution. Crockett is often depicted wearing a coonskin cap and carrying a long rifle. He served in both the U.S. House of Representatives and the Texas Legislature. His name has become synonymous with bravery, patriotism, and self-sufficiency in American popular culture.